Hello, in this video I will show you how to change the currency in Etihad Airways website. Now it's an extremely easy process. All you have to do is just simply open the browser. Then just simply go to the official website of Etihad Airways. Now once you're on the website, you will have a lot of options like book, manage, experience, destination, help, and some Etihad guides. And right over here you will have all the options regarding your managing and check-in and flight status and all of that. So as you can see, this is my current currency, which is INR. So in order to change the currency, all you have to do is just simply go to a map location, which is right over here. Now in some case it might be global, but all you have to do is just simply choose that option. And over here you will have two options. You will be able to change the language if you want to, and you will be able to change your currency if you want. So in order to change your currency, just simply go to the country over here, whatever country you are in, it will be shown right over here. At first you will have the option to change your country and then the language. Now just simply choose the country that you want, and depending on the country, the currency will also be changing. So let's say for example Germany. And then just simply click on the language section and choose whichever language you want. So let's pick English and then click on continue. So as you can see right over here, the currency has changed into euro and the flag over here have also been changed. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.